Study buddies are quite possibly the fastest way to reach your study goals. Here is a method you can use to get the most out your study buddies, particularly for science subjects. The method works for 2 to 6 people. Any larger than this becomes difficult to manage. Take your main science textbook and split the book into sections. If your group is 3 people, the book is split into 3 slices. If your group is 5 people, the book is split into 5 parts. Each person is given their section to study. 2 weeks is usually enough time, it depends on the size of the subject. After the study period is done, your group can now get together and share the study notes with everyone having the same copies. Each person is now the expert in those sections for the subject. And it is now the job of each person to teach their section to the other people in the group and help answer any questions. Everyone in the group will reach the same level within 4 to 6 weeks. Let us know if you have any insights or methods currently working for you in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.